Hello guys again. We're gonna do for coolant the expansion tank. Right here we're gonna replace this one. What I heard or what I see in the group, they said it might crack. I don't know. I'm not really sure, and I have no experience for the coolant. But I'm gonna replace with this one, the radium. And this is really nice and way better looking, but yeah, I don't know, probably this should be okay. I'm not really sure. I'm not 100% it might crack or anything in the long run, but probably this one's way better. I think this is aluminum thing and it's way better looking maybe. But let's go install this one and let's find out if this one. So I hope nothing wrong about this one because it's about a use and should be okay. But sometimes, you know, some of the used ones, like, they never say anything, but so far so good. All I used one is good, like what all my other video. Some of it is used and I have no issue. I hope this one too, but this is liquid. I have fluid on it, that's why I'm thinking it might leak or anything, but we'll see about that one. Sorry guys, it's so cold right now. It's like 33 degrees or 32 degrees today, and put my heater behind me. But anyway, let's go install this one and let's go start. Right. Alright guys, we are gonna use this clamp for the hose. Alright guys, I already removed everything, and we're gonna put the two screw in the side and one screw over here. So probably we're gonna put this one on. Here we go, guys. Already done, and just need to take it out this bracket right here, and 3 bolts, and that's the only thing you need to do. I think this is touching over here. I'm right here. Anyway, let's go check it out. But anyway, probably you don't need the clamp right here, because I take it out, no coolant. And I don't know the bottom, I clamped the bottom, but you see the video, everything's good. And let's go start the car. I'm gonna put this one away. And I hope no leak. Probably I'm gonna add more coolant a little bit. It's like almost halfway. And you just only need to remove this one, this bracket, and more room to screw that one right there, and to screw in the back. And this I'm talking about, see right here. We'll see about that one. Anyway, guys, I think everything's good, and I hope no leak, but should be okay now, because we put the coolant right here and taking it out. Yeah. Like leak, but we will see the leak. If we have leak in the engine, then we can tell. Right, for now it's good. I like how they look now. No more the plastic thing. See right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching again, and yeah, this is the easy one. It's not what I said. It takes like maybe 45 minutes or an hour or so. It depends. If you have the tools and the right tools, it's gonna be easy. It takes a while for me to do, because I always use to remove the screw, and to put the screw I always hand tight everything. I don't use the gun or anything, the power gun thing. I don't know, I'm been using my hand to hand tie everything. That's why all my videos like that. It's better to use the gun if I take out the wheels, that's all. But anyway, thank you for watching guys, and stay tuned, more videos to come. Alright, see you guys, bye.